Welcome to China Connect. We're your fun passport to China's best, living, traveling, working, and more. Dive in, explore, and discover China now. Let's go! In today's episode, we're not only delving deep into the world of precision machining and digital technology, but also exploring how China is overcoming challenges in the assembly of CNC machine tools. This comprehensive journey will take us through the history, innovation, and future of CNC machine tools in China. So, buckle up, grab a snack, and let's embark on this exciting and informative adventure together. Machine tools, often referred to as the mother of all industries, play a pivotal role in the manufacturing process. Their history dates back to the Industrial Revolution when they were first developed to shape metal and other rigid materials. Today, machine tools have evolved into advanced computer numerical control (CNC) machines that can create complex parts with extreme precision. Shenyang Machine Tool Co., Limited, known as the cradle of China's machine tools, is at the forefront of upgrading and iterating a new generation of CNC machine tools, paving the way for digital advancements in the sector. Zhang, a post-85's designer at Shenyang Machine Tool, has been involved in the research and development of numerous CNC machine tools with original Chinese technology. He ardently believes in the power of hard work and persistence, asserting that there are no shortcuts to success. Over the years, Shenyang Machine Tool has made significant contributions to China's equipment manufacturing industry, with a plethora of breakthroughs in high-speed rail, energy, and power sectors. After undergoing a strategic reorganization in 2019, the company achieved a loss-free turnaround in 2022. This period saw the birth of a multitude of high-end CNC machine tool technologies. Zhang and his master, Haoming, have been key participants in these groundbreaking technological advancements. Together, they have pushed the boundaries of what is possible with CNC machine tools and contributed to China's growing reputation as a global leader in manufacturing technology. In 2019, Zhang and Haoming faced a daunting challenge: designing a machine tool for the localization of high-speed rail parts. With a tight deadline of just 1.5 months, they were tasked with completing the design of the Longmen Mobile 5-axis linkage processing center. A brand new equipment with enormous specifications. The duo encountered numerous obstacles, such as the risk of deformation during the machining process. However, they harnessed digital technology to develop deformation compensation processing technology, which enabled them to overcome these challenges, but their journey didn't end there. During the assembly process, they grappled with difficulties stemming from the ultra-long bed of the machine tool. Zhang and his master had to ensure the straightness of the machine tool, which would ultimately determine the manufacturing quality of China's high-speed rail. Through sheer determination and relentless hard work, they triumphed over these difficulties and achieved the required straightness indicators. Zhang is acutely aware of the pressing need for talent across all facets of manufacturing, and the development of machine tool intelligence is no exception. After enrolling in a joint doctoral program between China General Technology Group and Shanghai Jiaotong University, he gained a more profound understanding of the demand for talent in research, development, and production sectors. This experience reinforced the importance of continuous learning and collaboration between industry and academia to drive innovation. Liaoning, dubbed the first industrial base in New China, boasts a rich history of industrial achievements. While its old industrial base has undergone significant transformations, the spirit of industrial workers remains unshakable. Thanks to policy support, vocational education, competition platforms, and a positive social atmosphere, new talents continue to be nurtured in the region. Liaoning's steadfast focus on promoting the craftsman spirit and building the Liaoning Craftsman brand is reaping rewards, with an ambitious goal of cultivating 1,000 leading high-skilled talents by 2025. Companies like Shenyang Machine Tool are investing heavily in talent training, providing ample opportunities for their employees to grow, develop, and excel. This commitment to the craftsman spirit is essential for maintaining China's position as a global leader in manufacturing technology and ensuring a bright future for the industry. In conclusion, the spirit of craftsmanship is alive and well in China's manufacturing industry. Young technical workers are rising to the occasion and carrying on the legacy of industrial contributions. With a commitment to innovation, education, and the craftsman spirit, the future of CNC machine tools in China looks brighter than ever. Thanks for exploring China with us. Smash that like button, comment, and share. Subscribe for more and drop your questions or ideas below. Together, let's showcase this amazing nation. Catch you in the next video.